Can I use a soft brace for scoliosis, and what does that look like? Well, this is the latest edition of the soft brace for scoliosis. So the answer is yes. This brace comes from South Korea, and we're beta testing this for the company. They've been very successful in the Korean market, the Japanese market, and the Chinese market, and now they're bringing it to the United States, and we're the first ones to be using this brace in America. This brace is effective for specific cases. I don't use this brace on all patients. I use this brace on small, flexible curves, but it is an effective option. Thanks for watching. I hope you found all this information helpful. Please subscribe if you'd like to have more information about scoliosis, and don't forget to hit the bell. That'll alert you whenever we publish new information. And if you've got any questions, write them in the comments field, and I'm going to make sure to address them in a future video. Thanks for watching.